Hey guys, AU79 Chemistry here, and today I'm going to be showing you all these projects that I'm going to be uploading as videos in 2026. So I know I haven't posted in a while. About 3 or 4 years ago, I moved provinces and I've just been really busy, and I kind of lost interest in doing YouTube. But then I decided, why not for fun, just to start this back up again and do some videos. So I'm going to be going through each one of them, explaining projects, and yeah. So this first one here is just a bottle with a bit of phosphorus in there. I was trying to make white phosphorus, but I did it on a pretty small scale and I didn't do it in a really good way. I just threw a match in here and tried to light the red phosphorus. It was kind of just like making, I didn't really want to make like a big supply of it. I just wanted to do kind of like a test. And I think I did make some over there. It's a little foggy if you can see that, but that might be a little bit of white phosphorus. I've done this experiment a while back, but I want to try doing it again, making a better supply because I couldn't really contain it. I realized later you have to contain it in water because it just reacts in the air and turns back into red phosphorus. So this next one is just a bag of silicon dioxide, and I've watched a video about how to make silicon metal out of that. You basically use aluminum powder or magnesium powder and you just burn them together and you can get pure silicon metal out of that. So that would be really cool. Next, so these two are both one project. So this is my bismuth extraction. So I watched a video how to extract bismuth out of Pepto-Bismol pills, and I basically crushed them up, put them in hydrochloric acid, and I don't remember, it was a while ago I did this, but I remember I ended up with two jars here, one of them with bismuth oxychloride and one with salicylic acid, because those are the ingredients, and that's what happens when you react it with hydrochloric acid. It becomes those two. So one of these is one of the other. So this is the part that I filtered out of it, the non-water soluble, and this is the water soluble. So I'm pretty sure that's the salicylic acid and that's bismuth oxychloride, but I'm not quite sure. I didn't do that reaction in a long time. But anyways, I'm planning on finishing that project and getting a little bit of bismuth metal, because that stuff's really cool. Next, this is a little container of aluminum trichloride, and this reaction is pretty easy. All I did was put aluminum in a solution of copper dichloride to make this powder, but I realized I didn't have that much because I did like a very small reaction, so I want to do it on a larger scale and show you guys how to do it. So this next one is just a nickel cadmium battery, and I actually found this from a drill long time ago. I went to this dumpster, and I think I actually explained how I found hydrochloric acid next to a dumpster, which was really lucky. And at the same time, I also found a bag with a drill in it, and I took apart the drill battery, and it came with a whole bunch of these. So I have like a drawer full of them, of these really good nickel cadmium batteries. They might be dead. They look pretty bad, like they were out in the rain, so they're probably pretty damaged, but that's okay because I'm going to be opening them up and trying to extract, I'm pretty sure it's cadmium hydroxide, I'm not sure, but that's one of the reactions I want to do to hopefully extract cadmium metal. That would be good for my element collection. So this is just my supply of manganese dioxide, and I'm planning to do the same thing as with silicon dioxide. I want to turn this into pure manganese metal with the same process that I explained with like magnesium powder or aluminum powder, and I want to change most of it, or react most of it into manganese, because manganese is a really cool metal and that'll be great to have for my element collection. So for the final project, I have this steel rod here, and it's coated in nickel, and I want to do a video of how to do nickel plating. So those were all the projects that I'm planning to do for future videos this year, and make sure to check them out if you want, and that's pretty much it for this video.